Welcome back, everybody. Tim Carico here, October 31st, 2019. Today's Halloween. Happy Halloween. This will be the final installment of the series of videos on the assembly of this Martin D41 guitar kit. Comes with sides and back, thick spruce top, ebony fretboard, bridge. Sweet it is. Hit like and subscribe. Okay, here's the top binding. It's a wider white outer banding with two thin strips, one on each side of the rubber temporary filler, I guess you'd call it. You can see it if I can get it to focus. Yeah, in between. And after the glue sets, then you can take all your tape off, pull that rubber piece out because the super glue won't adhere to it, and then that's the groove you'll put your mother of pearl into. One tip is to fold over the masking tape before you stick it down on the guitar. That way you've got a tab left to pull the tape off. It helps a lot when you're going in pulling tape off. You don't have to possibly scratch the surface with your fingernail trying to get the tape off. Just buffing out the old D41 today. Got over 120 hours in it. And it's looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. Still need a little bit more buffing on it, but I don't know. What do you think? And here we are, August 8th, working on the neck. We glued the binding on yesterday and glued the pearl inlays, mother pearl inlays in it. I don't know if you can catch it, but we mitered the corners. Careful about that dirt in those grooves. Flattened out the back again, made sure the binding isn't proud of the ebony fretboard. So that when I go to glue it onto the neck, I'll lay down flat. Still want to go over it with like 2500 grit. Get rid of some of the little scratches that's in there. This is 1200 grit that's on there now. I don't know if you can see the shine, but yeah, a little bit. It's pretty shiny. Next step will be to put the frets in. I went to Harbor Freight today and bought a 1-ton arbor press, $56. And then from StewMac I ordered the fret press cauls. I'll have to go to the press and drill out the end to accept the fret press caul. Okay everybody, here we are, pressing the frets in. Just wanted to give you a few tips and tricks of what I found. I modified this 1-ton arbor press, drilled a hole in the end of it, 3/8 of an inch, and then push that screw in this side to hold the StewMac fret caul. So I paid about, I think it was $54 with 20% off, and The call was about $56, I think, with the brass insert. Matches the radius of the neck I'm working on this Martin D41. These are all just laying on this spare headstock. I just cut out, and took many hours to get all these cut out like this. Still haven't decided if I'm actually going to put it in the headstock of the guitar or not, but I think I will. I mean, it looks really pretty. You can get the light hitting it just right. They're not routed in there or anything yet, of course, but we'll see. It's on board with another pearl inlay. Oh, it's like silk. Look at that. On the sound hole. Oh yeah, this is going to be a beautiful guitar. Martin D41, neck is glued on. Keys are in.